Good day everyone. So today, tuturo ko sa inyo paano mag-create ng new Facebook account. So just simply click create new account, then next, then fill up yung first name and yung last name. Make sure valid yung i-input nyo. Then next, yung birthday, lagay rin yung correct birthday. So make sure it's correct as well. After that, click next. And then click what's your gender and then the mobile number. Make sure yung mobile number nyo ay active because later on kailangan yung makareceive ng code in order to confirm your mobile number. Then create your strong password. Make sure hindi agad-agad dito na hack. By the way, blinerd ko para na rin sa privacy ng account na to. And then also sign up, click sign up. Then, as you can see, it's already creating your account. Pero before you create account, you will receive a message for the confirmation code. So, 5-digit yon. And then, ilalagay nyo yun dito. Confirmation code. Then, confirm it. After that, once na-confirm nyo na, then, it's either you can save your login info or not now. Nasa sa inyo naman yon. So, save. And then, add a profile picture. You can add picture here that shows your identity. Then click done pag nakapag-add na kayo ng profile picture. And then after that, welcome to Facebook. And then you can turn on your contact or skip it. It's up to you. For me, I skip it first. Then add your friends. And then after that, you already have your Facebook account. Now, kindly fill up the necessary information, setting up your profile. Nandyan yung other information tungkol sa inyo. You can just simply fill up all the information needed. And then after that, also you're going to add your background. And then you're all done. So, that's it. And that is already your Facebook account. You already have it in less than 3 minutes.